Experiencing internet connectivity problems in your Tesla Model S, such as LTE offline, Wi-Fi disconnection, or APN misconfiguration. This video provides a comprehensive guide to diagnosing and resolving these issues. We'll cover common causes, step-by-step solutions, and future trends in Tesla connectivity. These images show key areas of your Tesla Model S where connectivity issues may appear. Let's define the core technologies that enable internet connectivity in your Tesla Model S. LTE, or long-term evolution, is the primary mobile data network for your Tesla Model S. It uses a built-in SIM card to connect to cellular towers, providing internet access for essential features like navigation, media streaming, and over-the-air software updates. When LTE goes offline, it often indicates signal loss, SIM card problems, or carrier-specific blockages. Wi-Fi allows your Tesla Model S to connect to local networks, such as your home router or public hotspots. It supports the 802.11ac standard with speeds up to 5 GHz, making it ideal for tethering devices or accessing local services. Common Wi-Fi problems include router incompatibility, signal interference, or outdated firmware on either the car or the router. APN, or access point name, is a gateway setting that routes your mobile data to the internet through your carrier. Tesla typically pre-configures these settings, but manual adjustments are sometimes necessary for non-standard carriers or international travel. Incorrect APN configurations can completely block data access, requiring you to verify and update the settings through the car's touchscreen or Tesla app. Understanding these core technologies, LTE for mobile data, Wi-Fi for local networks, and APN for data routing, is crucial for effectively troubleshooting connectivity issues in your Tesla Model S. Start with the simplest solutions for Tesla Model S connectivity issues. First, power cycle your vehicle by performing a soft reset through the touchscreen. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting the network settings. Access the touchscreen menu and navigate to Controls, then Software, and select Reset Network. This action can clear temporary glitches and restore your internet connection. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air software updates that include connectivity enhancements and bug fixes for LTE, Wi-Fi, and APN issues. These updates are crucial for maintaining stable internet connection in your Model S. To check for updates, navigate to the Controls menu on your touchscreen. From there, select Software to access the update options. According to Tesla's reports, over 92% of connectivity issues are resolved through these over-the-air updates alone. On the controls screen, you'll see options like charging, autopilot, and software. Tap on Software to proceed. In the Software section, you'll find the latest updates available. Look for V12.5 or newer versions, which include specific fixes for carrier compatibility and Wi-Fi stability. If an update is available, select it to download and install. The process is automatic and may take some time. These updates often address regional carrier issues and improve overall connectivity uptime to over 98%. Remember to check for software updates regularly, as Tesla releases them frequently to enhance stability and fix bugs. This proactive approach prevents many connectivity problems before they occur. If Wi-Fi connectivity is the issue with your Tesla Model S, start by troubleshooting router compatibility and signal strength. First, verify that your router is compatible with Tesla's 802.11ac Wi-Fi standard. This standard provides faster speeds and better reliability for the Model S. Next, ensure your Model S is within range of a strong Wi-Fi signal. Weak signals can cause disconnections, so position the vehicle closer to your router if needed. Check that the SSID and password settings are correct. Access the Wi-Fi menu on your Tesla's touchscreen to verify network credentials. Try forgetting the network and then rejoining it. This refreshes the connection and can resolve authentication issues. Finally, update your router's firmware. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility problems, so visit your router manufacturer's website for updates. Tesla typically automates APN settings for most users, ensuring seamless connectivity. However, manual configuration may be necessary in regions with non-standard carriers where automated settings don't apply. First, research the correct APN settings specific to your carrier. Common examples include fast.tmobile.com for T-Mobile or VZ-Winternet for Verizon. Always verify these settings from your carrier's official documentation. To access APN settings through the car's interface, enter the Service menu using a specific key combination on the touchscreen. This advanced menu allows direct configuration of network parameters. You can also configure APN settings remotely through the Tesla mobile app's diagnostics feature. This provides a convenient way to adjust network settings without being near the vehicle. Once accessed, enter the correct APN details, including server address, protocols, and authentication type. Save the changes and restart the vehicle's network to apply the new settings. When software solutions like resets and updates fail to fix connectivity problems in your Tesla Model S, the issue is likely hardware-related. Common hardware problems include faulty LTE antennas that can't maintain a strong cellular signal, damaged SIM card slots that prevent proper SIM insertion, or wiring and connector issues affecting data transmission. These components are critical for maintaining the LTE, Wi-Fi, and APN connectivity that powers your vehicle's navigation, streaming, and over-the-air updates. If you suspect a hardware problem, don't attempt repairs yourself, as this could void your warranty or cause further damage. Instead, contact Tesla support immediately through the Tesla mobile app or website for guidance. They can help diagnose the issue remotely or direct you to schedule a service appointment at an authorized Tesla service center. Tesla service centers provide free diagnostics to identify the exact hardware problem, whether it's an antenna replacement, SIM slot repair, or other component fixes. Professional technicians will ensure your Model S connectivity is restored safely and reliably, often completing repairs in a single visit. Looking ahead, the future of Tesla connectivity includes wider 5G adoption for faster and more reliable mobile data. This will provide improved coverage across urban and rural areas, reducing LTE offline incidents. Satellite internet integration, particularly through Starlink, will offer global connectivity, ensuring your Model S stays connected even in remote locations. AI-driven troubleshooting systems are also on the horizon, with predictive technology that can diagnose and fix connectivity issues automatically before they affect your driving experience. Expert opinions in the field emphasize the critical importance of secure Wi-Fi practices to protect against cybersecurity threats, and the development of more user-friendly interfaces that make troubleshooting intuitive rather than technical. As connectivity becomes increasingly integrated into the driving experience, these improvements will make Tesla ownership even more seamless. Stay informed about these upcoming trends to ensure you get the most out of your Tesla Model S connectivity features. Regular software updates and awareness of new developments will help maintain optimal performance as technology continues to evolve.